What's happening, everybody? You know who it is tonight. This is known as an Orion pepper. So this is a three-way cross with a Jigsaw, Yaki blue, and a BRM. Beautiful, gorgeous pepper. The thing about this too that I've always remembered about this pepper is one of the cross strains is the Yaki blue, and because I've had these peppers in my possession before, I just never tried one. Usually just never got to it before, you know, they went bad or whatever. I did cut one up once and add it with like 10 other peppers and make like a dry salsa. So what I'll do is I'll take a bunch of different varieties of pepper, just dice them all the way up with seeds, and then mix it all together, and I'll use that as like a garnish on top of food or in a taco, right? So I've used it in that purpose before, but I've never reviewed one or eaten one fresh. But what I remember Yaki blue is that sometimes in the box they have a bluish kind of hue to them, sometimes, to me anyways. And it was no different when I got this box. I've had this box from Linda's Fiery Treats, thank you, for about a week now, maybe. Tomorrow's a week, I think, or today's a week. Anyway, it doesn't matter. But I remember when I looked at them in the box, they looked a little bit blue. They're now kind of more of a purplish, super dark purple, blood red kind of color. Beautiful, beautiful pepper for sure. So you can see on this side, it's just super dark, but you can see how that's kind of shadowing or casting a little bit of a blue hue to it. You know, at least I can see it. Same there. And then on this side, it's just a lighter purple, beautiful pepper. I'm not quite sure if I would consider or classify this as a chocolate pod. I don't think it is. But it's not really a red pod either, so I'm a little perplexed on this, how I would categorize it in that sense. Is it a mustard pod? Is it yellow? Is it peach? Is it white? Is it chocolate? Whatever. This one's kind of unique. This is real similar to the Black Panther that I tried as far as the color. All right, let's get it. Again, three-way cross, BRM, Jigsaw, and a Yaki blue. Cheers. I'm gonna eat around some of these seeds. Don't look too good in here, but I'm about to eat the shit though. They don't look terrible. Let's see. I'm gonna have to wash my hands really good after this though. Fuck it. For the birds. Whew. All right, well, this pepper has a very unique taste to it. It's sweet, but not sweet. It it reminds me of like a blueberry, where like, to me, blueberries are sweet, but they're really not sweet. I don't know, man. My descriptions aren't always the best, but it's kind of dry also. Dry's a good word for me as far as the taste, man. I don't. It's almost like when you kind of drink a Scotch neat, you know. It's dry. I don't know. The more saliva it's creating, the sweeter it kind of is getting as well. I love the taste of this pepper, though. This is fantastic. As far as the burn profile on this, I didn't get much while eating it. It's now burning, you know, the roof of the mouth pretty good, and that's kind of it. A little bit in the gums, maybe up in here in the front part, you know. But she's warm. There we go, pepper burp. I can feel its way working down to the stomach, but it's not overly hot yet. You know, in the mouth or in my stomach. So my tolerance is up pretty good right now. So, you know, that's a factor as well. But yeah, it's the roof of the mouth kind of all the way back. Not all the way back, but, you know, pretty good, about as far as your teeth go back. Lit pretty good. Now I'm feeling it in the stomach. Yeah, now she's there. I don't know. Not much to it going on, but tasty pepper. Forehead's getting a little bit warm now. But again, it's like a sweet fruit that's not like sugary sweet, right? It's not like a watermelon. It's not like a strawberry. It's like a blueberry, kind of that just has that underlying dry sweetness to it that's not sugary sweet. It's a natural sweet almost. I mean, sugar can be natural, but I don't know. Now I'm talking out my ass. It's good though. Very tasty pepper. Man, I gotta do some yard work coming up. Trying to let her burn for close to 5 minutes here and see where we're at, but it's in the stomach now. It's getting warm. I can feel it actually moving in the stomach, kind of. It's just that warm sensation kind of moving around a little bit. You know, honestly, my lips didn't burn as bad with this pepper as they generally do. Again, very unique flavor. For me, a little hard to describe. And a unique burn profile. Very unique pepper all around, to say the least. Happy holidays. Cool little pepper up tomorrow. I'm not going to burn too hard tomorrow, but I got a cool little chili that's not super hot. You know, something around 5,000 to 10,000 little pepper tomorrow, but it's a cool pepper, man. So stay tuned for that. Appreciate you watching. See you then.